What's up, guys? We are heading to the Magic Kingdom right now. Magic Kingdom, because we're gonna go see all the new Halloween stuff. We're actually not sure if it's new, but
some of it is.
Some of it is. We want to see what's new, what's not, and just check out all the Halloween stuff. Plus, Magic Kingdom is already doing their Not So Scary Halloween, so they have a bunch of Halloween stuff out. The pumpkin.
It's all decorated.
It's decorated. We just parked. And we got like the fourth to last parking all the way in the back. So now we just have a bit of a hike up to Magic Kingdom.
So excited!
So excited!
Your left hand side, all bags to your left hand side, no bags to your right hand side, all bags to your left hand side.
We made it!
Push them way.
Finally going through the ticket center.
Heading on over to the monorail.
Yep. It only took about, 45
lifetime.
minutes to
Okay.
get here. Okay. It was like an extra 10 minutes maybe. But still, that felt like a lot when you're so excited.
And your little legs can't handle it.
Little legs can't. What do you prefer? The monorail or the ferry?
I like monorail.
You like
honestly.
monorail?
I like monorail.
I like the ferry more.
I like that leaving Magic Kingdom.
No, because you know what? When I'm leaving Magic Kingdom, I feel like I just want to get out as fast as possible. And the boat's kind of slow.
Yeah, but then at night everybody takes the monorail and it's so packed.
That's true. All right, you're right.
We made it! And it's raining!
Yeah, guys, we made it to Magic Kingdom, but it's raining. Typical Florida, huh? But check out these decorations. You got the pumpkins. On the lights, you have decorations.
You get the scarecrows and then the
Oh, let's go see those. Look at the scarecrows. These are awesome. Courtney is also a scarecrow. And then you have these. Alright guys, we're going to the Emporium Main Street.
It's a little candle holder. Just one bag.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys.
Yeah, but they also have like a cute Mickey one.
Yeah. How much are these?
20 bucks.
20 bucks. That's not bad. I want Courtney to get this so bad.
I mean, I'm
Try
a
that
pretty
on,
good
babe.
cook. I'm a pretty good cook. So it would make sense. Over the ears.
Over the ears, let's see.
Done deal.
Evil Queen of Halloween, guys.
It's true. They're little kitchen towels and it comes with a set of 2. That's really cute. I'll use these while I'm wearing that apron. It's literally me.
I saw that.
Babe, I need these. I need them.
Huh? What?
So if you don't know, my favorite movie is The Emperor's New Groove. Totally underrated. Yzma? I love Yzma. And that's Yzma. Look.
Oh, no way. That's so cool.
Purple.
Alright, and orange.
That's really cute. That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Well, when we come to Disney's Not So Scary Halloween party, I may want to buy that.
Yeah, he really wants a light up toy.
I do, guys. It's kind of like my goal in life to get a light up toy in Disney at night.
This is a cute little tank top for women. Trick or treat.
Yeah.
And I like that the pumpkin's the O.
What's happening here, guys? This is so cool. You can fit a lot of candy in this bag.
Yeah, you can.
If you use it for the Not So Scary Halloween party.
Trick or treat.
For the Not So Scary, you can get as much candy as you want. Like, there is no limit. They give you a small bag, but if you brought like 2 pillowcases, you can fill them up and they don't care.
There's little trick or treat spots that you go to and you walk through and they just give you a whole bunch of candy. It's like 2 giant handfuls.
They're really, really good with giving a lot of candy. So we can't wait for that.
I love that bag.
Which one?
This one. This is my favorite bag. I like candy corn. And like
That
the
one's
little,
really nice.
the little candy corns.
No. that's so cool.
Yeah.
Their attention to detail, even
Like
this,
I love
like the color
the
of
zipper,
this.
right?
Yeah.
I like this cup. This is how I feel in the morning, so I feel like I need this cup.
That's how she acts in the morning too. Oh look.
Little ornaments. I think this one's my favorite because I really like Zero. He's so cute.
Well, if you guys are Nightmare Before Christmas fans, and they have got you hooked up here at the Emporium.
Look at that. Got Oogie Boogie and all of them. Lock, Shock, and Barrel.
Guys, I'm gonna watch this movie, and in the next video, you're gonna see me wearing this shirt with that hat.
With a
and
face
like,
painting.
With face painting. I'm gonna be a total fanboy of Nightmare Before Christmas. My favorite ornament is this one. The ghost on the cart.
Yeah. And then they have like the statue heads that sing.
No way. That's so cool. I've never seen these
cool.
before. This is the pattern, the wallpaper, right?
Yeah. And it has
Inside
the
the
little,
ride?
has the back.
No way. Babe, what do you think?
I'm so excited.
Are you excited?
I'm gonna beat you.
Yeah, no, I don't think that's gonna happen.
See,
Actually,
I know the tricks to do it at Men in Black at Universal, but I don't know the trick here to get the highest score. So we'll see who's the best.
to be completely honest, she beats me at everything, so I'm sure she will.
Prepare to be demolished.
Those are strong words, Court. Those are strong words. Look at these little guys. He's saying peace. Peace to you, my friend. Peace to you.
Final scores.
Alright guys, final scores. I had 229, 700, and Courtney has 578, 600. So clearly she won.
There he goes, walking to the People Mover. He's so excited, he's never done it. We have the whole car to ourselves. Like there's
The whole
nobody in
car.
front of us, behind us.
This whole thing is ours, guys. That's pretty cool. Honestly, if you're looking for a place to relax in Disney, like for a ride to just kick back and relax, this is the one. This is great. Courtney's unhappy because she wants a stuffed pretzel. Alright, that was my first time riding the People Mover, and honestly, I think it's one of my favorite rides here. I like it better than Pandora, the Flight of Passage. Yeah, I said it.
You said it.
I really do. I don't think Flight of Passage was that great. I think this is more interactive. It's more like original Disney, and that's what I like. So, thumbs up. Alright guys, we just got to the lunching pad, and Courtney is gonna get her stuffed pretzel. This girl has been wanting this stuffed, where is it? A cream cheese pretzel forever. You guys, she got it, her stuffed pretzel.
I'm so excited.
I'm actually really excited to try it too. Alright, we need to see the first bite, babe.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
So good.
Alright guys.
Alright, here's his first initial bite on his own pretzel.
So good.
So good.
You guys have to try this. It's amazing.
You'll never eat a pretzel the same anymore.
You guys, we got pretzels, and we're about to see the castle. God, that castle really is amazing. You excited?
So excited.
Alright guys, here we go. I completely forgot how crazy this ride is. Like, I wanted to record like earlier, but the ride was just like going nuts. I would have definitely dropped my camera. Look at that, guys.
Here we go.
Here we go. Hopefully I don't drop it. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
I got some airtime.
Yeah, that is crazy. Wow.
Alright guys, well that's it for today. We went and showed you some Halloween merch.
Yep, and we also rode Buzz Lightyear and the People Mover, which was my absolute favorite.
And Thunder Mountain.
And Thunder Mountain, but now we have leaves falling on us. It's about to pour, so we're gonna head out. So make sure to like and subscribe so that you guys Don't miss the next video.
Bye.